welcome back to our channel. V and I are currently at the grocery store.
And we are going to show you a point of view. If we were to start keto today, these are the items that we would grab.
Yes, so if you'd like more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.
Beverages secured.
All right, we are ready to go. I'll follow you.
So usually there is, at most grocery stores, they start with the fresh produce, berries. Berries are a staple fruit for us because they are much lower in carb than a lot of the other fruits. We love strawberries, blueberries.
I love
raspberries.
strawberries.
Are great.
Oh yeah, the raspberries.
I think this is the zero sugar.
Oh, it is.
This one is the keto-friendly one too. Macros, 0 grams of carbs. Yeah, if you're someone who just loves fruit, focus on the berries. If you're just starting out with keto, we would say stay away from the potatoes. They're very starchy. But if your grocery store has kabocha squash, this is a really great option to have if you like butternut squash or if you like sweet potatoes. It's a good swap. Throw it in the microwave, cut it up, roast it. It's delicious. Spaghetti squash is also a good option. We don't eat it as often as we used to. This aisle is pretty keto friendly. Tomatoes, garlic, avocados, you know, the good fats. Oh, they're 2 for $1. Lemons, limes, we always have this stocked in our pantry. You can do so much with it. I've been on a tunicado kick, so lots of avocados. Have pre-made deviled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, easy.
Very convenient.
Yes, easy.
Nobody's judging. I know we can boil our own eggs, but I like already done.
Convenience, and here's a berry blend. I try to skip these ones. They have kiwi in them. These ones have pineapple, but there's a lot of grab-and-go options if you just, you know, if you want to have ingredients already prepped. Vegetable medley, we don't mind eating carrots. That's something that it's up to you if you want to include carrots in your keto lifestyle, but we like them. These are good for stir fries. We have cut vegetables. Let's see, what else is there? Obviously a staple in the Midwest, you can always find fresh cheese curds. Great salty snack to have, and there's also a good fat in there. What flavors? Sour cream and onion cheese curds. That looks delicious. I'm hungry. I know, this is like bad news bears for me. When it comes to fresh vegetables, green is your friend. I would say in general, these are, for the most part, pretty keto friendly. I would say everything over here is keto friendly. Green beans are higher in carbs, so keep that in mind, but Brussels are good. Leafy lettuce, cabbage. The thing I always have in my fridge is green onions.
Yes.
And cilantro. I would say, Regina, are you the same? You always have
the same. Those are my vegetables.
Soup, stir fries. It just adds a little something, something.
You can't go wrong with vegetables.
Yeah. Salad mixes. These are mushrooms. We love mushrooms. Usually have a really good medley available, but mushrooms, I love eating mushrooms with anything beef, any beef dish. Peppers are also good. And then here we have the bagged salads. When it comes to bagged salads, we usually just either go with the ones that don't have dressing or Caesar dressing, because Caesar dressing is one of the lowest carb dressings that you could choose.
Okay, so what's really nice is that this grocery store actually has a keto section. People are getting with the times. Ooh, cheese and pretzel bites. Okay, sorry, sidetracked. Okay.
I feel like I used to eat Quest chips a ton, and they're a really good salty snack. Great for nachos. I like the nacho cheese flavor. The spicy sweet chili one isn't bad. And the ranch, I think this is our chili lime, isn't bad either.
We're not a fan of this.
Yeah, we usually don't go for those. I've never, Quest shakes are okay. But once you've had the Fairlife, it's hard to drink other protein shakes.
I used to love the Premier Protein. This was a good alternative, but then your taste buds kind of change. And then I found this was like overly sweet tasting. So, but it's an option. Lots of things.
Keto bars are delicious. They don't even taste like protein bars. They just taste like candy.
Which one's your favorite?
I like this one, the chocolate peanut butter pie. That one is good. I mean, this one's good too. Oh, actually that one, the cookie dough one. I haven't really had one that I didn't like.
Okay.
The mini peanut butter cups, they're new. I heard they're good. Tons of options for salty snacks now. I can't even, like, I'm just thinking about like when we first started, we were just eating like pork rinds.
Yes, and
now we
wisps.
have wisps. Wisps are good. I actually really like these ones, the everything, the honey mustard, those are delicious. And these are the Quest cheese crackers. A lot of people say that they're really good. I personally have not tried them, but there's also Catalina Crunch, keto friendly sandwich cookies. I like them. To me, they're like Oreo dupes, so I like them. There's also the Fat Snacks cookies and easy salty snacks to grab on the go.
Oh, I love this one. This is a good travel snack right here.
Do you see they have pork and good here?
Where?
Pork and good.
Oh, nice.
Pork crumbs, different seasonings.
Side note, do not go grocery shopping while you're hungry.
I want to buy everything. Everything.
I'm so hungry now.
Here is the seafood section. This is frozen. Nothing wrong with frozen seafood. We love it. It's really convenient to have, quick and easy to thaw.
Yeah, can't go wrong with shrimp.
Okay, so here is like, if you're gonna use crab meat, don't use imitation crab. It's higher in carb. Use the real crab meat if you can. Just a quick tip. Even though imitation crab is delicious.
In the beginning, I just made sure to eat lots of protein. So seafood, meats, but I'm a seafood lover, so. Okay.
Butcher's meat case. So it's totally fine if you want to get your meat out of the case. Just make sure if you're getting something pre-made, something like this, there's probably some kind of bread or like flour in these. So just make sure you ask if you're unsure. Easiest thing is to just stick to the straight up non-marinated meat options or protein options. The ones that we always have ground beef in our fridge. Ground pork is a great option as well, but ground beef is a staple, and chicken. 0 carb tortillas. These are really good, but I would say if you're just starting out, try to hold off for a little bit until you get back into the groove, because it's really easy to overeat these, and then your total carb intake
Let's see the macros.
is going to be out of control.
I can't, where is the carbs? Okay, 7 grams of carbs for 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad.
And then this one too. This is 7 grams of carbs for 1, 7 grams of fiber, 0 grams of carbs. But again, it's easy to like go overboard with these products.
I know we're giving you guys a lot of information, but we'll put like a link to our page that has like meal plans and everything like that in the description below, so check that out.
It's great, obviously on a ketogenic diet. You don't want to go overboard again with these because the calories add up. I will say if you're doing shredded cheese, it's better to get a block of cheese and shred it yourself, but these are great options anyway. But keep in mind there are fillers in a lot of packaged cheese to keep it from clumping. Here are we like to shred the cheese. Obviously fresh veggies are a great option, but if you don't have access to it, there are a lot of alternatives in the frozen section. We love these Green Giant options.
Yeah,
really
this saved me in the beginning for sure.
Quick and easy. Their cauli rice is really good.
They even have the value size right now. So basically I would just eat everything that Tiny eats. It will eat family style, and instead of rice, he'll have rice, and I'll just have cauliflower rice. So this definitely helps.
If you are getting frozen veggies that they don't already have the sauce on it, hopefully it's on the side. Here is like
stuff.
the keto ice cream aisle. I would say if you're just starting out keto, try to stay away for just, until you get the hang of it, but these are really good options.
I love the Enlighten Bars. Let's see, what do they have?
Oh, I didn't even know they had those here.
Peanut butter. Oh, I can't even read the flavor, sorry. Oh, caramel dark chocolate. They don't have the one that I liked today, but those are good options.
Do they have a chocolate hard shell?
Yes.
Oh, nice.